my neighbor's having work done on his house, and there's literally a guy right there. It's so awkward. Hi everyone, welcome back to What's Sewing On. It is the end of summer, which means it's almost fall, but also I'm running out of time to make summer dresses. So I thought I would make a very easy summer dress today. Keeping in theme with my past videos of using thrifted material, I'm going to be using a bed sheet. The reason why I use thrifted material is A, for sustainability and the economy, but also because I consider myself very much a beginner sewer. So this is a way for me to practice new techniques and really hone in on my sewing skills. The pattern I'm using today I also thrifted, but it does have all its pieces. Vogue 8664. It's very flowy, it's nice and bright, it's airy, it's exactly what I'm looking for in a summer dress. I really like the top little collar piece. I don't normally wear high-waisted belts, but I'm going to give this one a try. Hopefully it looks nice without the belt, or I might just kind of tailor in the sides. And it also has pockets. So I'm gonna jump right in and show you guys the fabric and then get cutting.
Finish him!
right, dress is almost finished. It actually came together pretty freaking fast. All I have left is to put the armhole facings. So I had just stitched all down. I did the pocket on both sides. Had a little bit of trouble with the neckline. I think I may have cut the collar facing, where is it? A little too short. I think I should have made it a bit wider because it's still pretty, like it should fall, I think, deeper in. It kind of just is a little bit, but I haven't tried it on yet, so it might actually be fine. But I just wanted to show that it's basically finished. I just have the hemline to do. I have to reinforce all of my stitching and then just do the armholes. Don't kick me. So the dress is finished. I'm on the fence about this dress. I do like it, but there are things that I would definitely change if I make this dress again, which I will. For instance, the collar bib part, I feel like it needs to be a bit longer. Kind of ends too short for me, and I think I would just like it a little bit longer in the front and in the back. The sleeves were supposed to be sleeveless, but I'm thinking maybe a nice modification for the same style of dress, but a little bit different, would be to have the collar go all the way around the arms. It's something I'm definitely going to try. Things that I didn't like and I will definitely change is the lining of the collar. It's so short. Even with the understitch, I feel like it keeps wanting to pop out. And since it's in my head that it does do that, I'm constantly checking my neckline to make sure that it's tucked in. The same goes with the armhole facings. I feel like they're just too short and they're constantly just kind of peeking out, and I'm checking constantly, and it's an uncomfortable feeling to always have to adjust your outfit. So whenever I make this again, I'm gonna have that in mind and make sure that I make them a bit wider. The style of the skirt is great. I love the fullness of it, and the pockets are perfect, which is great because then I could use that pattern for other skirts and other dresses. As I mentioned before, I don't usually wear high-waisted belts. In this case, I kind of needed to because without the belt, you completely lose any kind of shape and it just kind of looks nightgownish. The other thing, there is no date on this pattern, so I don't know when it was released. I'm sure I could find it online, but I didn't look into it that much. I find patterns, especially ones that are a bit dated, when they're writing, they're trying to be concise, and I feel like they're missing words. So for a beginner sewer, I find myself having to read it a few times because it's just missing something for me. Also, the illustrations are a little bit difficult for me to understand. I'll show you this one. Again, for a more experienced sewer, I'm pretty sure you would understand that no problem, but I spent a little bit of time trying to understand what they were saying. All in all, I am happy with this dress. I will definitely be making again with my modifications. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, and I hope you subscribe. I put out new videos every Monday and craft videos every other Friday, so definitely hit that bell for the notifications. Again, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Oh my God, stop it! I'm gonna freaking stick you in that hole. I just filmed a whole take without the camera being on.